Greetings Flutter enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of app development, the splash screen in Flutter. A splash screen is that brief, captivating introduction your users see when launching your app. It sets the tone for what's to come. Let's get started. Why are splash screens important? A splash screen serves as a visual introduction, providing a smooth transition from the app launch to the main content. It's your app's first impression. In the world of app development, first impressions matter. Let's dive into creating a basic splash screen. In Flutter, you can implement a splash screen by creating a new widget that displays your app's logo or branding for a brief period. This simple yet effective technique ensures a visually appealing start to your app. Take your splash screen to the next level with animation. Utilize Flutter's animation capabilities to add subtle animations or transitions, creating a more engaging experience for your users. Animations can convey a sense of polish and professionalism. Sometimes, your app needs to perform tasks during the splash screen phase. Whether it's fetching data, checking user authentication, or initializing resources, handle these tasks seamlessly during the splash screen. Customization is key. Allow users to control the duration of the splash screen or provide options to skip it, ensuring a user-friendly experience. For advanced scenarios, consider using packages. Packages like Flutter_native_splash or animated_splash_screen offer advanced features and customization options for splash screens. Before we conclude, let's go over some best practices for implementing splash screens. Keep it simple, align it with your brand, ensure quick transitions, and consider the overall user experience. In conclusion, the splash screen is a vital component for creating a captivating and professional entry point for your Flutter app. By mastering its creation, animation, and customization, you can craft a memorable first impression for your users. Now that you've unlocked the secrets of splash screens in Flutter, go ahead and make a splash with your app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy coding!